Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving problem 1550, three consecutive odds. The problem statement is we are given an integer array. We need to return true if there are three consecutive odd numbers in the array, or else return false. In example number 1, we have 2, 4, 6 and 1 in the array. Because there are no three consecutive numbers which are odd, the output is false. But in example number 2, we have three numbers which are odd and next to each other, which are 5, 7 and 23. Hence the output is true. This is a very easy problem to solve. All we need to do is run an iteration across the array, check if the number is odd. If yes, increment a variable, let's call it length, and continue with the iteration. If we encounter an even number, we should check the length that we have collected so far, and if it is greater than 3, then we can return true at that moment without continuing the iteration further. If the iteration is complete and the length is still not greater than 2, it means there is no consecutive 3 odd numbers, so we can return false in that case. The time complexity of this solution is O of n, as we are running the iteration across the input array to determine if each number is an odd number or not. While the space complexity is O of 1, that is constant space, because we are only using this one variable length to determine how many consecutive numbers are odd. I hope you were able to understand the explanation. This is a very easy problem to solve. Let me show you how we can implement this approach using C#. Here is the C# solution. I start by running a for loop on all of the elements in the input array. Inside that, I'm checking if the number is an odd number. If yes, then I'm incrementing my length variable by 1. If the condition is not suffice, then we go inside the else condition, where we first check if the length is greater than 2. It means we found at least 3 numbers which are consecutive and odd. So we can return true in that case. Else, we can reset the length to 0 and continue with the for loop. After the for loop is complete, we do the last check to check if length is greater than 2. This is to cover an edge case where we have more than 3 consecutive odd numbers at the end of the array. This code, when submitted on LeetCode, beats 100% of the submissions in terms of runtime and nearly 11% in terms of memory. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you were able to understand the explanation. The details to access the source code is available in the description below. Feel free to check that out, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.